Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're going to do a little bit of an airdrop hunt, and this project and chain basically was brought to me by from the Survivor DAO. Most of you are probably aware of them or familiar with them throughout the Fantom and general crypto space. So yeah, pretty much wanting to get involved in this space as well, see how things play out. So the video is going to kind of go through the Rari chain. Obviously that's the chain itself is an L3 layer 3 blockchain, what is built on Arb. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer funds from Arb, bridge it over. We're going to bridge it to Rari chain, and from there, what we're going to do is buy this token, Ross on Rari. So again, look, it's a quirky old play, and I think it's just as interesting opportunity. Very early into this chain, so as I said, I think the airdrop is 100,000. I think I could be wrong. I think I've seen 75, 100,000, something like that. So as I said, opportunities. So first thing you want to do here is you can see the general, if you go right back, general website. I'm not going to go through all this, go through it yourself, have a look at. So what we're wanting to do is obviously bridge it. First things first, what you're going to want to do is get yourself the Zerion wallet. Um, it's easy enough to set up, it's very similar to any other Web3 wallet you set up. Um, you know, just install it, set it up. I have it up here, up and running. The reason that you can use other wallets, but the reason for this is because of the campaigns they have. A lot of them do involve you to have the wallet maybe installed and set up. So as I said, for the purpose of this, it's much easier just to do it all through this one process and try and get some of the points here. So you can see here, where is it down here? I've done this one already. You can bridge a lot of different assets into it. So as I said, that's going to be what we're doing. So we're going to use Owlto Finance to bridge. We're going to use Camelot Dex. Some of you are probably familiar that with base chain and stuff. That we're going to use that to trade, obviously, the Ross token. So we jump straight over here to this. We want to bridge from ARB, as I said. Now again, this is assuming you're already on ARB, so if you're not, you'll need to kind of use another bridge. So I think Squid Router can do it very quickly for any EVM compatible chain. So what we're doing is we're bridging from ARB. You can see up here I have a small bit in it, tokens of $42 worth of it. So what we're going to do is bridge the full amount of it. So you can see here, we might have to keep a little bit less, I think, is it? So we're going to go 3, I think, just to see the process. So again, it's all coming to the one wallet. So as I said, it's my first time using this as well, and pretty much just see how it goes. So we're just transferring that. I have it set up obviously with my ledger as usual. I have a dedicated account for this, and pretty much just waiting for the process to kind of go through. I said what I'll do is I'll try and speed up the video. I'm not cutting out anything, so again, you can kind of see what's happening in real time. Um, so that's pretty much has been completed. You can see there we've already got some points for doing it, which is brilliant to see. And as I said, this will obviously go back to, where is it? Here, sorry, back to this section here. Once you do the quests, it'll show that you potentially bridged, and if not, you might just have to kind of start a quest. So if I just quickly go over here, this one, you can already see there, it's already after linking it in there that I have bridged already to Rari chain, so that's quick enough. The step has, I think, step it's unlocked, and then verify that. So that's after being achieved. So what we'll do is mute that for a minute. It'll be the next one. I'll be retweeting it. So again, that's done. What we want to do now. So you can see here we're on Camelot. This is obviously the platform that we're going to use the trading. And over here on Gecko Terminal, you can see the token that I'm looking at. Again, low liquidity. It's only after starting, and as I said, there is low enough liquidity in general on the chain, but an opportunity, as I said, to get involved. So what we've done is we grabbed the contract address down here. You can see it, Ross. We go up here and you can see it's linked in here, and what we're wanting to transfer then is it's ETH. So I might have, oh sorry, so we can see we're here, connect it up, there we have it. Now we're on this part of it. So what we want to do is, obviously we have 0.3, so what we're going to do, because we need to keep a little bit of ETH obviously for transaction fees, we're just going to make it a small amount again. So you can see here we're going to get a bit of the Ross token again, swapping it. So it's only going to be 3 or 4 dollars worth of token or something like that at the moment we're using. But as I said, it's the whole idea of it is to get just an idea of how it works. So we add it to the wallet if it comes up on it. And over here then you should eventually see it populate here, see it move I think a little bit that time. And we've got basically the $3 worth of the token. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. So again, just to recap it all, just to kind of help you clearly understand it. Obviously, it's a Rari chain. You know, they have a big airdrop campaign, obviously, to try and incentivize people onto it. Make sure you get yourself the Zerion Wallet. Again, you can just download and attach it like you do with your MetaMask or Rari or Fantom Wallet through Google Chrome or whatever other browser you're using. From there, then we go into the super board. So this is going to show everything of the different quests and opportunities here to get a bit of an airdrop potentially down the road. You know, it's very easy to do a lot of these very basic stuff. So there is some opportunities to potentially lending and borrowing and things like that. So you know, it's well worth to get involved to try it. As I said, you can bridge. There's a multiple different options to bridge. For this case, we use obviously this Owlto. So with this, you obviously get points as well. And from there, then we went over to Camelot, and from there we obviously connect your wallet up, trade your ETH obviously to Ross. However, make sure you always keep a little bit of Ethereum in the wallet because that's going to be used for gas fees. And again, it's going to be low enough, so you know don't be worried too much about it, but always make sure you keep a little bit there. And then obviously we went with this meme, and as I said, I think from what I was talking to the Survivor DAO team and stuff like that, this is pretty much the nearly first or second token, first token I think to launch on the Rari chain. So you know, super early, again, opportunity. So I will be buying more into this, full disclosure. And what I'm going to do is try and make another maybe playlist to kind of go over a few more things on Rari chain and discuss it about a bit more in the channel. So that's pretty much it. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.